Hey, what's up? So today we're gonna make one of my favorite recipes and it's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be pancakes, potato pancakes. I love potato pancakes. I've been making this for weeks and let's get to it. I love it. You'll love it too. So we're just gonna get started here. It's gonna be a Greek yogurt to start off with. Use any kind of Greek yogurt you want. I use a plain non-fat Greek yogurt. And that's going to be a half a cup. So let's go ahead and add that. This is very, very quick recipe. And especially filling. This makes about, I eat the whole thing. It's about, probably about 600 calories total. If you compare that to regular pancakes, a stack of regular pancakes, probably about 1,500. This is definitely much more ideal for people who are on a strict diet. So the next thing is going to be an egg, which I have right here. Just a whole egg. There we go. A whole egg. And next is, you can use any kind of sweetener you want. You can use honey, sugar, whatever. I'm going to use the cancer-inducing Stevia because I love it when people send me that kind of stuff. Like, oh my God, Stevia is so bad for you. Yeah, it's FDA approved, so I do about 6 spoonfuls of Stevia or whatever kind of sweetener, sweet and low, equal, whatever brand. Doesn't really matter. It's whatever you want. You can add a teaspoon or 2 of oil, canola, vegetable, whatever. I don't really use it, but you can add some. I don't really use it for this recipe because the potatoes actually make the pancakes so moist and fluffy that it's really not needed. So rolled oats or quick oats, whatever kind of oats you want. It's about 3/4 cup, but I'm gonna put a little bit less, probably about one, I don't know, what the hell, 60% of a cup. I don't know, whatever, it's almost 3/4 cup, but you can use that. And baking powder, we need baking powder. This probably works with baking soda as well. I just use baking powder is what I have. And it's about a teaspoon and a half. And that will get it to rise up a little bit. So now we're gonna go ahead and kind of mix it a little bit. So for the potato, we're just gonna mix it up this speed 5 on the Vitamix. And no, I didn't use a lid. So speed 5 on the Vitamix, modern one. If you're using the old school one, you probably have to do a low speed and reverse some, play with it. Just get it to mix up a little bit. And you're gonna need a potato, a single potato. I use a white potato. You can use a sweet potato. You can use whatever kind of potato you like. I'm just using a regular white russet potato. And I microwave bake it basically. For about 7 minutes, depending on the size of the potato. So 7 minutes, cook this 280 gram potato. I leave the skin on it for the vitamins and all that. So in it goes, nice and cooked. You can use a baked potato if you want, but I like to microwave it with some in the bowl with water. It keeps it nice and moist, and the moisture helps the batter. All right, so we're ready to go to mix it up. This I can do in no time at all. But of course, I'm trying to do this step by step for you. And it takes longer. But to do this, I like to just mix it. I don't go max speed. I just go and mix up about 7 or 8. And I use a tamper because this is a thick mixture already. If you use milk, you can use milk if you want a thinner type pancake. But I like to use the Greek yogurt because it keeps it nice and thick. But with milk, I usually don't use a tamper at all. Speed 7. Go to town until it's finished. Just remember what I forgot, and that's vanilla extract or vanilla flavor. You can use either or. It's optional. I just like it. It gives it a little bit of a, nice flavor. Throw some in there, teaspoon or so, or whatever your taste likes. And okay, we are done. That's how quick you can make a nice potato pancake batter. If you go max speed and totally liquefy the potato, you can do that. I find that it tends to kind of flatten out the batter. It makes it a little bit incorporates too much air, and I guess when you cook it, it kind of just flattens out. And I want it to be nice and thick. So here we go. That's the batter. Nice thick batter, and I'll be right back after I cook these on the griddle. Ready. See how nice and thick they are? Oh my God, this is so delicious. Oh yeah, take a look at that. That's a nice breakfast. Guaranteed to fill you up. Guaranteed. 600 and some odd calories. Can't go wrong. This will keep you full for a good amount of time, I tell you. And so let's get ahead and do the taste test. Got my syrup here, sugar-free syrup. Oh my God, people are gonna send me hate mail, and oh my God, you're gonna die. No. So, syrup, let's do the taste test. Oh yeah. This is such a moist pancake and so soft, fluffy, it's super delicious. It's like, has like almost like kind of like a gooey center to it because of the potato. I love that stuff. Taste test, let's do it. Super delicious, super hot, it's burning my lips. But definitely worth making in the few minutes that it takes. And I use a griddle, you can use a pan. Wow, that's super good. Give it a try. You won't regret it. Potato pancakes made in the Vitamix or Blendtec, Ninja. I don't care what you use. Just follow the recipe. It's going to be in the description. Thanks a lot for watching and have a good day.